Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the anime style filter on Snapchat. And then obviously, once you create the video or photo on Snapchat with this filter, you can then go ahead and post the video on TikTok or on Instagram or any other social media platform that you would like to post it on. Now, to get this filter, I'll have a link in the description as well as in the comment section. It'll just bring you over to this website here. It's just a branch off of Snapchat, so you guys can add this filter. So all you want to do is just click on Open Snapchat once you click on the link and click on Open on Snapchat. And then you just want to click on Unlock for 48 hours. And then as you guys see here, the Snapchat application will open it up. And then you now have the filter here. You can also choose a photo from your camera roll as well if you want to. Just click on camera roll and then you can open up a picture of yourself and then use the filter on that photo. Or of course, you can go ahead and record a video right here. So I'll go ahead and do that. Once you're done recording the photo, you just want to click on Save. And then it will save it to your camera roll. And then you could exit out of here. And then obviously at this point, you can go over to TikTok or Instagram, and then you'll be able to post it on there. So let's go over to TikTok really quickly. And skip the ad. All you want to do is click on the plus icon. And then you just want to click on Allow Access to Camera if you don't have that done already, and a microphone. And then I'm just going to go over to my camera roll and click on Allow Access as well. And then I'll just click on that video that we just made, select, and then back out, next. And obviously you can just go through the process here. And then you'll be able to post it. And that is how you get the anime style filter onto TikTok, Snapchat, or Instagram. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.